Hello, right now I'm going to be showing you what my current desk setup looks like. So right here, this first monitor is an HP W2207. It's a 1680 by 1050 monitor. And I have this mounted on an Ergotron MX Desk-mount, or I guess you could call it. Tried to run the cables as best as I could. So they come right there. They come to a zip tie, and then down to the little cable management board right there. And then right here we have a Linksys E3000, which is a wireless N router. Two Logitech Z-2300 controllers for the two Logitech Z-2300 systems that I have. Right there is an Xbox 360 with two controllers. Logitech X-540 controller with the two satellites right there. This desk doesn't have anything connected to it right now because a couple of days ago I ordered a ASUS 25.5 inch 1920 by 1200 monitor for gaming, and that's gonna sit right there in between that space, and that's when I'll reconnect my Hauppauge or Hauppauge and the PlayStation and Xbox to that one monitor. So let's move on this side. We have the wireless keyboard from Apple, the slim one, wireless Mighty Mouse, Apple Magic Trackpad. There is an iMac 24 inch, 3.06 gigahertz with a 500 gigabyte hard drive. And I tried to run these cables as best as I could also. So we have one of the Z-2300s connected to this computer. My hard drive is connected with the grayish cable is a USB extender. Firewire 800 from my G Drive Q. Ethernet that's coming from the Linksys. And the mini DV or DVI, not mini DisplayPort, mini DVI, that runs to a standard DVI converter right there. And there's the other two Z-2300 satellites. I have my printer sitting on the floor right there, which is a fine location for me. I would rather have it down there than on my desk. And then underneath here, when I get my other monitor, I'll also be setting this thing up, is a Power PC, I believe, G4 or PowerMac. It's one of the two. That's my PS3, first generation. Right there is a 50-inch Maxent TV. And so on this HP, I have it running as my main monitor. So I'll have the dock and all my icons and status bar menus and all that are running on this. And I use the iMac as a secondary display because I like this one because it's not as heavy as the iMac. And I can, the iMac you can't rotate it. It's just 90 degrees. This one you can rotate to 270 degrees with the desk mount and use your entire desktop as a vertical computer, which is kind of nice. I don't usually do often, but it's nice to have that option there. There's a look at the arm again. I also have my Xbox 360 just connected to this for the time being. So walk out a little bit. Press the two subs. I think it's pretty. I ran the cables okay. They're not the best, but they look alright. So that's it for my current desk setup as of 9/26, I believe is the date today. 9/26/2010. Goodbye.